Yes, students, in the last video, we did acceleration and I gave some numericals also for solving. So up to acceleration, motion up to acceleration is your syllabus for PT1. Next, we will start graphs now. Okay, before starting graph, let's have a small recap. What is distance? It is actual path traversed by an object. What is displacement? Shortest distance between initial and final position of an object. What is speed? Distance traveled per unit time. What is velocity? Distance traveled per unit time in a given direction, or you can say displacement upon time. And what is acceleration? Rate of change of velocity with time. Now we will do graphs. We have two types of graphs, distance time graph and velocity time graph. So first of all, we will do distance time graph. Distance time graph. And second type of graphs are velocity time graph. In both the graphs, we have distance versus time and velocity versus time. And so in both the graphs, you have to take time along the x-axis and the other value along the y-axis. So first is when an object is at rest. When an object is at rest. So I have told you along y-axis you have to take distance in meters per meters, and along x-axis we have to take time. Suppose there is a cow which is sitting 2 meters from us, 2 meters away from us, and we observe that after 5 minutes, let us take that time in minutes here, we found that the cow is again, it is as it is sitting, so it will be after 5 minutes also it will be 2 meters away. Then after 10 minutes again it will be 2 meters away. After 15 minutes again it will be 2 meters away, and after 20 minutes again it will be 2 meters away. So we will get a graph, straight line parallel to x-axis. Straight line parallel to x-axis for an object at rest. When an object is at rest, distance time graph is straight line parallel to x-axis. This you have to mention whenever you are asked, either in paper or anywhere in the notebook, or whenever you are asked, you have to tell what if anybody asks you what type of graph do you get for an object at rest, you have to tell that distance time graph is parallel, straight line parallel to x-axis. Is it clear? Second type of graph in it is, let me take in Roman numbers. When an object is moving with uniform velocity. When an object is moving with uniform velocity. Object has uniform velocity. Here there is no velocity. Velocity is 0 as it is in rest. Now uniform velocity means equal distance traveled in equal interval of time. Uniform velocity means equal distance traveled in equal interval of time. For uniform velocity, distance time graph. Time, again let us take in minutes. For explaining we are taking in minutes. suppose it is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, we'll take equal distribution of time as well as equal distribution of distance. 2 meters, 4 meters, 6 meters, 8 meters, 10 meters. Suppose an object moves 2 meters in 5 minutes. So here it will be the graph point. Okay. So for uniform velocity, in next 5 minutes again it will move 2 meters. So it will reach at 4 meters in 10 minutes. Again in next 5 minutes it will move 2 meters. That means in 15 minutes it will reach here. Again after 5 minutes it will move 2 meters. So we will get this type of graph. Straight line again, but inclined to x-axis. Again straight line inclined to x-axis. When an object is moving with uniform velocity, we get a straight line inclined to x-axis at some angle. At some angle से थीटा. ये हमने कोई भी एंगल कंसिडर कर लिया, इसको हम थीटा बोल देते हैं. एंगल को एक्स वाई जेड तो हम लेंगे नहीं, दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस, दिस इज वाई एक्सिस, तो हम एंगल को थीटा में लेते हैं. तो किसी एंगल थीटा पे, इट मे बी 30 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, एनी, तो इट इज स्ट्रेट लाइन inclined to x axis. And third type of graph is when an object is moving with non-uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity means unequal distance in equal interval of time. Okay, so for such type of graph, it is distance again in meters, and this is time in minutes. We get a curved graph कि सपोज 5 मिनट में वो 2 मीटर मूव किया, फिर अगले 5 मिनट में वो 4 मीटर मूव कर गया, अगले 5 मिनट में वो फिर 2 ही मीटर मूव किया. तो अगर स्पीड इंक्रीज हो रही है तो इस टाइप का ग्राफ आएगा, और अगर स्पीड डिक्रीज हो रही है तो वी विल गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ. ओके, तो आप इनमें से कोई भी, बेसिकली हम इंक्रीजिंग टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ शो करते हैं. तो वी गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ फॉर नॉन यूनिफॉर्म velocity. Now again I am telling you, for rest we will get straight line parallel to x-axis. For uniform velocity, distance time graph for uniform velocity, we will get again straight line but inclined to x-axis at some angle theta. And for distance time graph for non-uniform velocity, we will get a curved graph. Second type of graph are velocity time graph. Velocity time graphs. Now first graph is again we will take time along x-axis and velocity again y-axis. It is in meter per second. When there is no acceleration, acceleration is equal to 0. when इसमें क्या होगा, means object is moving, it has velocity but velocity is not changing. When velocity does not change, I told you there is no acceleration. When there is no change in velocity with time, acceleration is 0, means velocity जितनी है उतनी ही रहेगी. Suppose ऑब्जेक्ट कोई हम देख रहे हैं कि वो 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से मूव कर रहा है. ओके, हमने देखा 5 मिनट के बाद भी वो 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से ही मूव कर रहा है. वेलोसिटी 10 मिनट के बाद भी 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से मूव कर रहा है, वेलोसिटी चेंज नहीं हुई। 15 मिनट के बाद देखते हैं तब भी वो 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से मूव कर रहा है, सेम वेलोसिटी आ रही है, जो स्टार्टिंग में वेलोसिटी थी वही वेलोसिटी चलती आ रही, वेलोसिटी चेंज नहीं हो रही। तो इसमें अब 20 मिनट्स के बाद देखते हैं तब भी 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड है, टाइम इंक्रीज हो रहा है, टाइम के साथ साथ वेलोसिटी चेंज नहीं हो रही, जो वेलोसिटी थी वही है। तो वी विल गेट अगेन स्ट्रेट लाइन पैरेलल टू x axis for acceleration is equal to 0. When there is no acceleration, object is moving with uniform velocity. First is object moving with uniform velocity. Equal amount में 0. When there is no change in velocity, velocity is constant, acceleration is 0. We will get straight line parallel to x axis. Second, when object is having uniform acceleration now. अब यहाँ acceleration 0 थी, velocity was not changing, velocity uniform थी। अब इसके अंदर हाँ जी, सेकेंड इज ऑब्जेक्ट हैविंग यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन। अब वेलोसिटी चेंज होगी इक्वल अमाउंट से इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, यानी एक्सेलरेशन है, एक्सेलरेशन कब होगी, यानी वेलोसिटी चेंज होगी, वेलोसिटी चेंज होगी। सपोज ये 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड है, ये 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड हुआ, ये 6, दिस इज 8 एंड दिस इज 10। यहाँ हम वेलोसिटी लेंगे इन मीटर पर सेकेंड, हेयर अगेन टाइम आई एम टेकिंग इन मिनट्स हियर। अब पहले 5 मिनट में हमने देखा कि वेलोसिटी ऑब्जेक्ट की 0 से 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड हो गई। फिर 10 मिनट्स के बाद देखा इक्वल अमाउंट से टाइम 5 मिनट लिया तो ये 2 मीटर ही पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से चेंज हो रहा है। फिर 15 मिनट के बाद फिर 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड मूव करेगा ये आगे, तो इट विल बी हियर एंड लाइकवाइज इट विल कीप ऑन मूविंग हियर। तो वी विल गेट अगेन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन इंक्लाइन टू x axis, straight line inclined to x axis when an object is having uniform acceleration. acceleration है equal time में equal amount से velocity change हो रही है। and third is object having non-uniform acceleration. object having non-uniform acceleration. We will get, this is velocity in meter per second and this is time in minutes. We will get a curved graph. For अगर retardation है, दिस इज़ फॉर नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन। अगर नॉन यूनिफॉर्म रिटार्डेशन है तो इस टाइप से, अगर यूनिफॉर्म रिटार्डेशन होगा तो आपके पास ये ग्राफ इस टाइप से आएगा। फॉर यूनिफॉर्म रिटार्डेशन you will get this type of graph, and for non-uniform retardation you will get this type of graph, and for uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration, you will get this type of graph. So these were the graphs. So let us have a small recap. हाँ जी, distance time graph, when body is at rest we will get straight line parallel to x axis, that is velocity is 0, there is no velocity, object के अंदर कोई velocity है ही नहीं, वो rest पे है। now object having uniform motion, object uniform motion से move कर रहा है, velocity उसके अंदर uniformly change हो रही है, So we will get straight line inclined to x-axis at some angle. And for object having non-uniform motion, we will get this type of graph. For velocity time graph, when acceleration is 0, object is having uniform velocity, means velocity is not changing, it is uniform. So you will get straight line parallel to x-axis. And when there is uniform acceleration, we get straight line inclined to x-axis. And velocity time graph for non-uniform acceleration, we will get a curve graph. In next video, I will tell you how to calculate acceleration and speed and distance graphically from these graphs. Thank you.